Good morning, Rob Dynan, Dynan Construction Company, Jason Sikowski, Project Manager. Dynan Construction, we're at 454 Meadow Lark Drive. We are in progress building a new home here. We wanted to show you guys where we are in the progress of the project.
So we're just finishing up our outer shell, the structure of the home. We're just completing the upper poured-in-place beams. This is going to finish the masonry phase of the construction build. From here we go to trusses and wood and framing.
When we ran into post-COVID supply chain issues, there was a shortage on lumber and truss manufacturers were hit so hard. Florida truss manufacturers were booked solid. They couldn't deliver on the demand, and we had to seek out truss manufacturers out of the state. We ended up working with Stark Truss in Kentucky, and they've shipped us these trusses, which we've now got installed.
There's a lot of design features in these trusses that we have to talk about, prepare for. They need to reflect what your plans say about what your ceiling heights want to be in these areas. So we have different elevations and coffered ceilings in different places, and we have to make sure that they're built correctly to reflect that. We're up here on the second floor. We're completing the outer wall, masonry walls. This is kind of the end stage of our outer shell.
So what's this material they're putting at the top of the wall?
So this is a screen material, which makes it so that the concrete beams, we don't want concrete down the walls in all the areas. So this will prevent the concrete from going down the walls where we don't want it to go.
So the roof trusses are on their way?
Roof trusses are on their way. They're being built.
They'll be bearing on top of these beams that are in preparation to be formed and placed now.
We'll actually be placing in our strapping that's going to connect our trusses to that beam. So any wind or hurricane action, nothing's going to go anywhere.